Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mapping where money actually comes from: ad CPM, sponsorship fees, affiliate commissions, and product sales. Once you list each channel, measure the baseline, monthly views, RPM or CPM, click-through, and conversion rates, so you have concrete numbers. Then set a practical short-term income target, for example $500 to $2,000 per month within 3 months, and prioritize the highest margin channel first. Make sure to open a simple spreadsheet and log weekly changes. That raw data drives the next steps. You now optimize the middle. Increase RPM by improving content that retains viewers and testing ad placements. Small gains compound. Meanwhile, build a sponsor rate card and pitch with audience demographics. Once done, negotiate deliverables and include performance-linked bonuses. Also lift affiliate and merch income by driving targeted traffic to optimized landing pages and a /B testing CTAs and thumbnails. Make sure to monitor conversion metrics weekly, because conversion improvements often outpace raw view growth for revenue impact. You wrap up by locking in recurring income. Memberships, subscription tiers, and exclusive offerings stabilize cash flow. At the same time, protect earnings. Use contracts with sponsors, log 1,099, and set aside a tax reserve of around 20 to 30%. Once stable, diversify into one new channel to reduce risk. If earnings stall, troubleshoot systematically. Review analytics for traffic drops. Run split tests on thumbnails and CTAs, and pivot or pause the lowest performing channel until performance recovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.